Meet Marcus. He's sitting at his kitchen table, staring at a math problem. 6 times 23. No calculator allowed. His brain freezes. Sound familiar? Well, Marcus is about to discover one of the coolest shortcuts in all of math, the distributive property. By the end of this video, he'll be solving problems like that in his head. And guess what? So will you. Let's go.
So what exactly is the distributive property? Here's the big idea. When you multiply a number by a group in parentheses, you can distribute, or spread, that multiplication to each part inside. Think of it like handing out cookies. If you have 4 friends and each gets 2 chocolate chip cookies and 1 sugar cookie, that's 4 times the whole group. Or you could count the chocolate chip cookies separately and the sugar cookies separately. Same answer either way.
Let's make this super concrete. 4 friends walk into a cookie shop. Each friend gets 2 chocolate chip cookies and 1 sugar cookie. We could write that as 4 times the group, open parentheses, 2 plus 1, close parentheses. The distributive property says we multiply the 4 by the 2 and multiply the 4 by the 1 separately. That gives us 8 plus 4, which equals 12 cookies. Simple, right? Marcus is starting to get it, and so are you. Remember Marcus staring at 6 times 23? Here's his secret weapon. Watch what happens when we break 23 apart into 20 plus 3. Now we have 6 times the group of 20 plus 3. Distribute the 6 to each part. 6 times 20 is 120, and 6 times 3 is 18. Now just add them. 120 plus 18 equals 138. Marcus just did that multiplication in his head. That's the power of the distributive property, making hard problems feel easy.
Here's where it gets really interesting. The distributive property works with variables too. Same rule, same steps. Take 3 times the group x plus 5. Distribute the 3. 3 times x gives us 3x, and 3 times 5 gives us 15. So 3 times open parentheses, x plus 5, close parentheses, equals 3x plus 15. This is a huge concept in algebra. Marcus's teacher actually uses this in class, and now Marcus finally understands why it works.
Quick but important, the distributive property works with subtraction inside the parentheses too. Same idea, just watch that minus sign. Take 5 times the group x minus 4. Distribute the 5 to both terms. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 4 is 20, but we keep the minus sign. So the answer is 5x minus 20. The rule is a times open parentheses b minus c equals ab minus ac. Don't let that subtraction fool you. Just distribute and keep the sign.
Okay, let's try one together. The same way Marcus is practicing on his worksheet. 7 times 34. Step 1. Break apart 34 using place value. 34 equals 30 plus 4. Now write it as 7 times the group 30 plus 4. Step 2. Distribute the 7. 7 times 30 equals 210. 7 times 4 equals 28. Step 3. Add the results. 210 plus 28 equals 238. That's our answer. See how much easier that was than trying to multiply 7 times 34 all at once?
Now, let's try one with a variable, exactly like the problems on Marcus's homework. Simplify 4 times open parentheses x plus 6, close parentheses. Step 1. Identify what's being distributed. The 4 outside goes to everything inside. Step 2. 4 times x equals 4x. Step 3. 4 times 6 equals 24. Step 4. Write the final expression, 4x plus 24. Notice we leave 4x as it is. X is unknown, so we can't simplify further. Boom! 4 times open parentheses x plus 6 equals 4x plus 24. Marcus nailed it. Ready for the next level? Let's try 2 times open parentheses 3x plus 5. This time there's a coefficient on the variable, 3x. No problem. Step 1. Distribute the 2 to 3x. That means 2 times 3x. Multiply the numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. Keep the x, so we get 6x. Step 2. Distribute the 2 to 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Step 3. Combine.
Our final answer is 6x plus 10. Same process, slightly trickier, but Marcus handled it, and so did you.
Here's one with subtraction. Let's make sure that minus sign doesn't trip us up. Simplify 5 times open parentheses 2x minus 3, close parentheses. Step 1. Distribute 5 to 2x. 5 times 2x. Multiply the numbers first. 5 times 2 is 10. Keep the x. That gives us 10x. Step 2. Distribute 5 to negative 3. 5 times 3 is 15, but we keep the minus sign, so we get minus 15. Step 3. Write the answer. 10x minus 15. Watch that subtraction sign. It travels with the term. Here's a sneaky trick Marcus found, using the distributive property with subtraction to do mental math. Try 8 times 99. 99 is almost 100, so let's write it as 100 minus 1. Now we have 8 times open parentheses 100 minus 1 close parentheses. Distribute the 8. 8 times 100 is 800. 8 times 1 is 8. Since we have subtraction, we subtract. 800 minus 8 equals 792. Marcus just did 8 times 99 in his head. That's not magic. That's math strategy. You can do this too. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the most common mistakes. Mistake number 1, only distributing to the first term. If you have 3 times x plus 4, you cannot just multiply the 3 by the x and forget the 4. You must multiply the 3 by both terms. 3 times x plus 4 equals 3x plus 12, not 3x plus 4. Mistake number 2, losing the minus sign when distributing. Always carry that sign with you. Marcus made both of these mistakes at first. Now he catches them every time. Remember when Marcus was completely stuck staring at 6 times 23? Now he can solve it in seconds. 6 times 20 is 120, 6 times 3 is 18, and 120 plus 18 is 138. That's the distributive property in action. You've learned the big rule, how it works with numbers and variables, with addition and subtraction, and even as a mental math superpower. Parents, this is great to practice with your kids at dinner. Teachers, try breaking apart tricky multiplications together. Keep practicing, and you've got this.